Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best removable TV mounts on the market. The Perlegear Full Motion TV Wall Mount with Integrated Power Strip. This mount is perfect for those looking to enhance their viewing experience without compromising on flexibility or convenience. Let's explore why this could be the ideal choice for your setup. First off, this mount is designed for TVs ranging from 42 to 90 inches and can support up to a hefty 150 pounds. It's built with high-strength steel and boasts 30% thicker dual articulating arms, ensuring robust stability for larger screens. What sets this mount apart is its integrated power strip. With 3 AC outlets and 2 USB ports, you can conveniently power your TV, gaming consoles, or streaming devices directly from the mount itself. No need for messy cables or additional power strips cluttering up your entertainment area. Whether you're battling glare or trying to find that perfect viewing angle, this mount has you covered. It offers +5 degrees, -15 degrees tilt adjustment to reduce reflections and a smooth 130-degree swivel capability for directing the screen exactly where you want it. Plus, it extends up to 22 inches from the wall and retracts to just 2.9 inches for a sleek, space-saving look. Don't worry about a lengthy setup process. This mount ships with a pre-assembled front support and includes a handy drilling template and comprehensive hardware pack. You'll have your TV up on the wall in under 30 minutes. Crafted from durable materials and engineered for strength, it's designed to handle the weight and demands of modern large-screen TVs. So, if you're looking to elevate your home entertainment setup with a sturdy, versatile, and convenient TV mounting solution, the Perlegear Full Motion TV Wall Mount with Integrated Power Strip is definitely worth considering. It combines ease of installation, robust durability, and the added benefit of built-in power management. Check it out on Amazon and see why so many users are raving about its performance and quality. That wraps up our review for today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Before we go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a product you'd like us to review next. Until next time, happy watching.